In this video, I'll show you how to top up your Payoneer card and how funds are added to it. First, it's important to know that Payoneer cards are not topped up manually like prepaid cards. Instead, your card automatically uses the available balance in your Payoneer account. So when you receive money in your Payoneer balance, that money can usually be used with your Payoneer card. Start by signing into your Payoneer account and check your balance section. If you receive a payment from a client, marketplace, or payment request, the funds will appear in your Payoneer balance. Once the funds are available, they can be used through your Payoneer card for purchases or ATM withdrawals. If your account supports it, you may also see an Add Funds option. This allows eligible users to send money from their own bank account to their Payoneer balance, which then becomes available for use with the card. After the funds appear in your balance, your Payoneer card automatically draws from that balance, so there is no separate top-up step required. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.